APC candidate Iziamo have blasted Governor Obaseki and accuses the governor of filtering away state government funds. Pastor Osagie Iziamo, the candidate of the All Progressive Congress APC in the forthcoming Edo governorship election, has challenged Governor Godwin Obaseki to disclose the amount he spent on People's Democratic Party ticket. Iziamo, who was reacting to the screening of videos in Edo State involving Kano State Governor Dr. Umar Ganduje pocketing thousands of dollars from a contractor. The APC candidate who accused the Edo State Governor of using the videos to distract electorate in the state, he charged Obaseki to open up on the amount of dollars he spent to secure the PDP's ticket. In a statement issued by his spokesman, John Mayaki, Iziamo asked Governor Obaseki to reveal the amount of state funds he allegedly wasted on his Oshomole Must Go project. Part of the statement read, "It is unfortunate that Obaseki, the outgoing governor of Edo State, has continued in his irresponsible ways, chiefs of which include the abuse of office and utilization of state ports and agencies to pursue personal ambitions. In a desperate move to maintain relevance, as his name had been fast leaving the lips of Edo people and his significant fading in their mind, he has compelled the state agencies to display a disputed video involving Governor Ganduje siphoning money into his babariga. Ahead of the gubernatorial election in Edo State, scheduled for September 19, the scandalous video was put on a big billboard where it can be seen by commuters and motorists. A social activist who on Thursday, July 20, put the video on Twitter. But in his reaction, Wike, who is the chairman of Obaseki Campaign Council for Edo election, said, "Antics and shenanigans cannot distract PDP from taking over the South states." The Rivers governor, who said Ganduje should be the one in isolation center because he was caught red-handed pocketing dollars in his babariga. This coming, recall before now, Ganduje, when he was inaugurated, have pointed fingers on the governor of Rivers State, who is also the chairman of PDP Campaign Council for Obaseki in Edo State, by saying that they are going to isolate Governor Wike in Edo State, that before he will be out, the election would have been over. And ever since then, Ganduje have been in the news for all the wrong reasons. Recall yesterday I made a report that Ganduje, a video showing him collecting dollar bribe from contractor and stuffing it into his babariga, have going viral in Edo State, and it was even displayed in one of the biggest billboard and most busiest roundabout in Edo State. And as I speak with you, it's still there. If you go there, you will see it. And now the APC candidates have come out to challenge Obaseki. Let me take some of the comments. Someone said, "I don't think it's APC business to know how much Godwin Obaseki spent to secure the PDP's ticket. Is Iziamo afraid of defeat?" I don't know, because I don't think that is what he should be saying right now. He should be thinking of how to defend his fraudulent chairman. Another comment said, "It's none of your business, Iziamo. By the way, how much did you pay for the useless APC ticket? And how much did you pay Oshomole? Because we all know Oshomole will not do anything for free." Next comment said, tell us how much was exchanged in the video of Ganduje stocking dollar into his Babariga. Tell us. Another comment said, we wish Pastor Iziyamo can show us amount of money he gave to Oshomole which was used to disqualify Obaseki. We know it is not going to be for free now. Another comment here said, Iziyamo that want to sell out Edo people to Fulanists. Edo people should avoid APC because APC always sell out the state where they are rulers to the Fulani herdsmen. Look at how Buhari cannot even caution his Fulani herdsmen brothers to stop the wanton killing. Fulani police officers know the killer herdsmen, but they don't want to take any action to curb these unwanton killing in Nigeria. Another comment said, I believe APC give Iziyamo the ticket because of Ruga settlement. They gave you APC ticket and now you are here talking nonsense. Next comment said, Pastor, that is how we were deceived by Pastor Vice President Osibanjo to vote a satanic jihadist to power. If you like the general overseer Iziyamo, no way for you. What did the Fulani ask of you before giving you the APC ticket? Is it the Ruga settlement? Tell us, let's know. Another comment said, idiot, you are a big loser. I don't think there's any need for insult. You can just say he's a big loser. Next comment said, you are very stupid, idiot, Iziyamo. Thief, you are defending Ganduje, your fellow thief. We all know birds of a feather flock together. Next comment said, you should also tell us how much you paid APC to get the ticket because we know it's not free. Under the last comment I have here said, a drowning man like you, I pity you for leaving PDP and I see the mess you've gotten yourself into, hanging around with thieves and criminals. That is all we can take for now. You can also be part of this discussion. Do you think Iziyamo is right for calling out Obaseki and trying to defend Gandola that was caught on video collecting bribe? Or he's wrong? You can share that at the comment section. Thank you.